Anthropic just dropped Claude Sonnet 4.5 on September 29th, 2025, and they're making some bold claims, calling it the best coding model in the world. After OpenAI shook things up with GPT-5, Anthropic fired back hard. In this video, we'll break down what makes Sonnet 4.5 special, its real-world performance, pricing, and whether it actually lives up to the hype. Claude Sonnet 4.5 is Anthropic's latest frontier AI model, and it's not just another incremental update. According to Anthropic, it's the strongest model for building complex agents, the best at using computers, and shows major gains in reasoning and math. What sets this apart is its ability to maintain focus for over 30 hours on complex, multi-step tasks. That's not just impressive, that's a game changer for developers working on large code bases or complex projects. The model is available through the Claude API using the identifier Claude Sonnet 4.5, and pricing stays the same as Sonnet 4, $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. Let's talk numbers. On SWE-bench Verified, which measures real-world software coding abilities, Sonnet 4.5 achieved 77.2% accuracy in standard tests. With high compute configurations, that jumps to 82%. For computer use tasks, Sonnet 4.5 scored 61.4% on OSWorld benchmark. Just 4 months ago, Sonnet 4 was leading at 42.2%. That's a massive 45% improvement. The model shows improved performance across reasoning, math, and domain-specific knowledge in finance, law, medicine, and STEM fields. Experts found it dramatically better than older models, including Opus 4.1. But benchmarks only tell part of the story. Let's see what companies actually using it are saying. Cursor reported state-of-the-art coding performance with major improvements on longer tasks. GitHub Copilot saw significant improvements in multi-step reasoning and code comprehension for handling complex code-based spanning tasks. High reduced average vulnerability intake time by 44% while improving accuracy by 25%. Canva, with 240 million users, said it delivers impressive gains on their most complex, long context tasks. Devon AI saw planning performance increase by 18% and end-to-end eval scores jump by 12%. The biggest improvement since Claude Sonnet 3.6. One company reported going from a 9% error rate on Sonnet 4 to 0% on their internal code editing benchmark. Anthropic isn't just releasing a model, they're releasing an entire ecosystem. Claude code updates include checkpoints to save progress and roll back instantly, a refreshed terminal interface, and a native VS Code extension. The apps now support code execution and file creation for spreadsheets, slides, and documents directly in conversation. Claude Agent SDK is huge. The same infrastructure powering Claude Code is now available to all developers. It handles memory management across long-running tasks, permission systems, and sub-agent coordination. You can build your own agents for finance, research, customer support, or personal assistance. Claude for Chrome extension is now available to Mac users, letting Claude work directly in browsers, navigate sites, fill spreadsheets, and complete tasks. Imagine with Claude as a 5-day research preview, where Claude generates software on the fly with no predetermined functionality. Everything created in real time. Anthropic claims Sonnet 4.5 is their most aligned frontier model yet. They've reduced concerning behaviors like sycophancy, deception, power-seeking, and encouraging delusional thinking. For agentic capabilities, they've made progress defending against prompt injection attacks, one of the most serious risks for these features. The model operates under AI Safety Level 3 protections with classifiers to detect dangerous inputs related to chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear weapons. False positives have been reduced by a factor of 10 since initial release. The elephant in the room: how does it compare to GPT-5 and GPT-5 Codex? Speed-wise, users report Sonnet 4.5 feels about 50% faster than previous Claude versions. In head-to-head tests, it completed code reviews in 2 minutes versus 10 minutes for GPT-5 Codex. Reliability is where Sonnet 4.5 shines. It's described as more steerable and reliable than Opus 4.1, especially in Claude code. It stays focused and terse when asked. Pricing, however, shows GPT-5 is still significantly cheaper at $1.25 input and $10 output per million tokens. Sonnet 4.5 costs more than double. Use case differences matter too for tricky production bug hunts. GPT-5 Codex still holds an edge. But for day-to-day building, rapid iteration, and agentic tasks, Sonnet 4.5 feels like a major jump forward. Anthropic recommends upgrading to Sonnet 4.5 for all uses. It's a drop-in replacement providing much improved performance for the same price as Sonnet 4. It's best for developers using Claude Code, building AI agents, working on complex multi-step tasks, companies needing extended thinking capabilities, and anyone wanting faster iteration than Opus 4.1. Consider GPT-5 if budget is tight, you're working on specific production debugging, or prefer the OpenAI ecosystem. Claude Sonnet 4.5 represents a major leap in AI coding capabilities. With 30+ hours of sustained focus, dramatic performance improvements, the powerful agent SDK, and strong safety measures, Anthropic has delivered a compelling answer to GPT-5. The AI space moves incredibly fast. While Sonnet 4.5 claims the coding crown today, Gemini 3 is rumored to launch soon. This competition ultimately benefits all of us. Better tools, faster iteration, and more possibilities. If coding with AI is part of your workflow, Sonnet 4.5 deserves serious consideration. Try it out through the Claude API or Claude.ai and see how it handles your specific use cases. That's it for this breakdown of Claude Sonnet 4.5. Have you tried it yet? Drop your experience in the comments. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI model reviews and tutorials. Catch you in the next one.